Hi guys, so I have letter H because my last name is Hall, which mine is, my function is f of x equals the square root of 2 minus x plus 5. As you can see here, I actually did draw this all out before because I just figured it would be way easier to do than trying to draw and do it at the same time. Talk at the same time, I should say. So these are the three basically functions that we will be putting in for x. So -3, 2, and a. I will start with -3. So f of -3 equals square root of 2 minus -3 plus 5. So first I bring down the f and the -3. So f of -3, and I do square root. And basically, I use the rule a negative minus a negative equals a positive. So you want to turn this right here into a positive. So 2 plus 3 plus 5. So that would give it the function and the square root, as we know, of 10. Because 5 plus 3 plus 2 is 10. So that's what I got. I got the square root of 10 for the first one. Now to go over to the second one, f of 2. So f of 2 equals the square root of 2 minus 2 plus 5. So the first thing is you have 2 minus 2, which obviously equals 0, and then plus 5. 0 plus 5, obviously, is 5. So that's the square root of 5 for the second one. And last but not least, this one was a little more tricky for me, but I figured it out. So basically, you have to do f of -a. So f of -a equals square root of 2 minus -a plus 5. It got me hooked up because I was like, oh my gosh, what does a need to be? A doesn't need to be anything. The focus here should be the 2 and the 5, and obviously the negative, because a negative minus a negative is a positive. So what you basically do is the square root here, 2 plus a, don't mind my a, plus 5. So I turn that negative that's here into a positive. So 2 plus a plus 5 equals 7. So I was like, oh, maybe at first I was just like, oh, that just must be my answer, just 7. Nope, you have to incorporate the a. So the square root is a plus 7. And that would be my final answer for the last one. Thank you guys.